I'm Susan. Today I'm going to be working in my alphabet glue book, and I'm going to have to do something with the cover. I just haven't decided what yet. But I've enjoyed this. I've pulled a few things, so without further ado, let's get started. Alright, I'm still looking for some things for A. Now I do have these Bush's baked beans, so I can add that, and I'm just going to, like before, tack it down until I get an idea of exactly where I want to put everything. And let's see, C. I've got a few things for C. I've got a catfish, which I kind of like it over here better. It shows up better. And I've got some Cheerios, which I can tuck under there. And I've got some chips, if I can pick it up. So those would be fun. I don't mind if my candle kind of goes over a little bit, and I may move it. I don't know. Okay, same with the catfish. Oops. I did a catfish on my last Marguerite Miller, and it came from the same one as this, but it was a big one. All right, now let's move on. I don't think I have any D's, but I may come back. I may find some. E, F. Let's see, Y. Let's go to the W's. Let's just do it that way. My W's are almost full, but I like that. Oh, and I do have a sticker for an x-ray. So let me use that. Oh, these things are so old I can't get the thing open. It's like it's melted. This one, I don't think I'm going to have that many X's, so I'm just going to go ahead and put it down here. So we have an X-ray. And I may come back and use some of these. And Y, I have this cat that is on yarn. So we got yarn. Alright, and I need to find something with a Z. Okay. S. I've got a steeple. And it seemed like I had, oh, salad dressing. Oh, a sailboat. I may end up cutting down part of that, or I could just go over it. So let me. I do have an A. Area 51. That there. Now let's see what we can find. Cute. I've got the Quaker Oat Man. That'll be fun. have Raisin Bran for R. Okay. P. I'm almost done with P. I have got a pen. I'm just gonna tack that down right there. L, I have got I got a light bulb, which is kind of cool. It's big. I can add the limes and think okay. I don't have K. J. I've got juice and I've got jewelry. Which I like that. Oh, P, I've got pepper. Let's see, I think I've got room there. Pepper. One of my subscribers said I needed 2 pages for P's, and I agree. Problem is, I've already got my book laid out, and so I can't move everything. Let's see. Lunchables. Move it over. Okay. CG. I've got a gavel. Afraid that's going to just be too big, so I may take that one out. Do have a garden, and I can trim that down. A gavel. Maybe. I don't think I cut it straight. I just think that's too big. Let's see here. Got Grumpy. I like her. H, I've got horse. F, I already have Fig Newtons, but I still could add that. I have a duck. B, I have a birdhouse. know if that would be a vase. That's what I'm going with. Although I think a vase is taller. But I don't guess it has to be taller. All right. And clay. Well, I think that's about what I have today. I've got my Area 51, my birdhouse, and my Bush's baked beans. I have got my catfish, my clay chips, Cheerios. I have got my duck. I have got the Fig Newtons, Grumpy, Garden, Gavel, horses, Juice and Jory, I have got my light bulb, my Lunchables, lime, I've got my pen and my pepper, got my Quaker Oatman, Raisin Bran, my Steeple salad dressing and sailboat, I have got my vase, my wine, my X-ray, and my yarn. Well, this one was quick. I ran out of stuff. I'm going to have to cut his foot off. So I hope you enjoyed this quick and fun little going through my alphabet glue book. I got to get busy fussy cutting, don't I? So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.